Most of you out there know exactly what this symbol is, and for those who know this symbol know exactly what these two watches are, and these two are part of a trio. Let's see what the third watch has in store for us. I'm Francois, and it's time to watch. Okay, let's push these aside to make place for the next edition of the Rangemaster, part of the Islander and Gentry Labs collaboration. This is going to be a quick unboxing just to have a first impression. I'll have a further review. I'll let you know what this is meant to be, but let's quickly look inside. I have to show you this here. You have, of course, the warranty, the instruction manual, and this here. This is really special. Look at this format and we'll see what it looks like and why it's used. This is the Islander logo, and here is the watch itself. There you go. Here it is in all its glory. So this is to adjust the bracelet itself. If you can see here, this is a metal bracelet that you can adjust. It's an integrated bracelet, and this integrated bracelet has these specific screws that you use this tool here, and they included an extra rubber strap that you can just slip in. And during the full review, I'll show you how that's done. I know you can't feel it through this video, but this is a hefty watch. It's something like over 200 grams, and it's really well wrapped. So just give me a few seconds and I'll give you my first impressions once this is all taken off. Here it is in all its glory. It's the RM2, the Rangemaster 2. This is basically the third of a 3-watch series. The first one was a Rangemaster. The second one was the Rangemaster Mechanical, and this one is the Rangemaster 2. So essentially, it's 3 watches. It's a screw-down crown. It's a really aggressive type of look and feel with those crown guards. It's a GMT movement. It's a real aggressive type of watch. You look at the lugs here. This is just incredible. It's kind of a 3-dimensional look. It's kind of an empty look here. It decreases the weight, of course, but it has this kind of futuristic look and feel. And on the case back is this the Gentry Labs logo. The Urban Gentry and Islander Rangemaster 2. So I'll have a full review of this watch. This is the first look and feel. I acquired this watch because it's much different than all the other watches I have. I specifically like the stainless steel bezel and the legibility, the contrast on this dial. This is a 3-dimensional dial. I'll have a full review with macros, but I hope you like this one as well as I do. If you're still here at this point, first of all, thank you very much for sticking around, and it's most probably because you like these types of reviews. If you like these types of reviews, don't hesitate. Press the like button, and of course, I encourage you to subscribe. And of course, I hope to see you next time.